This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, in the last session, we discussed about the demo. So what is SAP, what is BASIS? So what are the roles and responsibilities as a BASIS consultant? Any prerequisites are there for learn SAP BASIS? So we discussed in the last session. So mainly we need to remember as a BASIS consultant, so we are administrators. So we are administrators only. So we are not developers, so we are not database administrators. So we are SAP administrators only. So main the responsibility is first one, installation. So if you joined with a 3 years experience or 4 years of experience, first responsibility installation, but we are not installed. Daily we are not installed. But any requirement is there, installation requirement. As a BASIS consultant, we need to install the SAP applications. Next, monitoring. So whatever the servers we have in our organization, we need to monitor all the servers. If any server is facing issue, we need to resolve the issue. So we need to troubleshoot. So these are the main installation and monitoring. So after that, any new employees joined in our organization as a BASIS consultant, we are going to create the credentials for the new employee. Any employee resigned from our organization, so we need to delete the employee details. Any employee facing issue while logging to SAP, any employee facing issue, so we need to resolve the issue, and we need to take the backups of SAP system, that is the development quality production. So these are the main responsibilities, roles and responsibilities as a BASIS consultant. But installation is not a daily activity. As a BASIS consultant, installation is not a daily activity. We should not install daily SAP. Very rare cases only. But so whenever installation is there, installation requirement is there, you should ready to install without taking the help from your colleagues. So without taking help from your colleagues, so we are ready to install SAP system. So if you are taking any help from your colleagues, for suppose if you joined with 4+ years of experience or 3+ years of experience as a BASIS consultant, if you are taking support from your colleagues while installing SAP system, if you are taking any support, so your colleagues easily understand you are not having the genuine experience. Whatever you joined with 3+ years of experience or 4+ years of experience, that is fake experience, not genuine experience. So my suggestion is installation is very, very important, but that is we are doing for every 6 months or for every 6 months or 1 year, but without taking help from our colleagues, anytime we are ready to install SAP system. So that is the first point you need to remember. And already we discussed in SAP BASIS, we have nearly 45 T codes are there, 40 to 45 T codes are there. So nearly 40 to 45 T codes are there. But all the T codes we should not handle. For suppose if I joined with 3+ years of experience, if I joined with 3+ years of experience, I'm not able to use all the 40 transaction codes in SAP BASIS. SAP BASIS having so 40 to 45 T codes. So if I join with the 3+ years of experience, I can't able to access all the transaction codes. So based on the current project requirement, the T codes are allocated. Initially, apart from 40 transaction codes, initially, I think 9 to 10 T codes only, 9 to 10 T codes only they are going to assign. 9 to 10 T codes only. They are going to assign. Not 45 T codes. Not only 3+ years of experience. For suppose if I joined with 5+ years of experience also, after joining the organization, immediately they will not assign all the 40 transaction codes. So based on the project, in which project you are working, based on the project requirement, the T codes are allocated. Initially, for suppose if you join with a 3+ or 4+ years of experience, 9 to 10 T codes. 9 to 10 T codes only. So after that, based on the requirement, the T codes are extended. Your experience also increasing, at the same time, T codes also increasing. But we should learn all the 40 transaction codes because we don't know what are the transaction codes are assigned. Once we join in the organization, we don't know what are the transaction codes are assigned. For suppose, present I'm in a BTech third year, first semester. So I need to learn all the subjects. End of the day, semester exams are there. So why we need to learn all the subjects? We don't know what are the questions we are getting. So that is the reason we need to read all the book. Five subjects are there. In 5 subjects, we need to learn because we don't know what are the questions we are getting. In the same way, we need to learn all the 40 T codes in SAP basis because we don't know. Once we join in the organization, what are the T codes are assigned. That is based on the scenario, based on the requirement, the T codes are allocated. That is the reason we should learn all the 40 T codes. 40 to 45 T codes we should learn. So that is, so next, once we join in the organization, I think all of you understand Telugu. So I'm using some Telugu words also for your easy understandable purpose. So once we join in the organization, forgot your experience. Why? Because for suppose this is happened. Really, this is happened. See here. Once we join in the organization, so we need to so we should remember our experience in which years, how many years of experience so we join in the organization. We should forget it. So because we have the shifts like a morning shift. So these points are not covered in the course content. ఈ course content లో ఎక్కడ ఉండవండి. In real time scenario, what I am facing, I'm sharing with you. So that is maybe helpful for your upcoming career. And afternoon shift. And night shift. So most probably 3 shifts are there. For suppose so in morning shift, total 3 members are there. I'm sharing with you what I'm facing in the organization. So in my initial career, so 3 basis consultants are there in morning shift, but their experience is different. They are not same experience. All the 3 basis consultants are not having the same experience, different experience. Like a morning shift, 3 members. The first basis consultant joined with 3+ years of experience. And the second basis consultant joined with 5+ years of experience or 4+ years of experience. Third basis consultant joined with 5+ years of experience. 5+ years of experience. The thing is, all the 3 people, 3 basis consultants are in morning shift. So 3+ years of experience, 4+ years of experience, 5+ years of experience. So we are getting the tickets from user side. So we are getting the tickets. In morning shift, 3 basis consultants are there, but their experience is different. Any ticket is coming to our basis queue. So మనకి basis వాళ్ళకి ఏదైనా టికెట్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి మన క్యూకి, you should ready to handle the ticket. So there is no tickets like experience wise. This ticket is only for 3+ years of experience. This ticket is only for 4+ years of experience. This ticket is only for 5+ years of experience. So not mentioned. We are getting the ticket. In basis queue, we are getting the ticket. So who are free? So for suppose 4+ years of experience person, so he is doing another work. 5+ years of experience person also, he is doing another work. So ఇక్కడ 3+ years of experience తో జాయిన్ అయిన basis consultant ఉన్నాడు. So the basis consultant ready to handle the ticket. ఆ ticket ని హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి. Because the tickets are not assigned like experience wise. సో అది ఈజీ అయినా టైం టేకెన్ ప్రాసెస్ అయినా టికెట్ మనం హ్యాండిల్ చేయాల్సిందే. ఫర్గాట్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వన్స్ యూ జాయిన్ ఇన్ ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్, బికాస్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో సపరేట్ బేసిస్ టీమ్ ఫర్ 3+ years of experience. There is no separate team for 4+ years of experience. There is no separate team for 5+ years of experience. All the experienced people need to work together only. So we are called as SAP Basis Department. So not SAP Basis 3+ years of experience department, 4+ years of experience department, 5+ years of experience department. So ఆ టైంలో వన్స్ మీరు ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మర్చిపోవాల్సిందే. దట్ ఈస్ until unless you should remember your experience, until unless onboarding process. Once onboarding is completed, the systems are allocated. Once login credentials are, if you have received the login credentials, you should forget your experience. How many years of experience you join in the organization. Same afternoon shift also, night shift also. ఆ టికెట్ హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి. సో అది మీ కొలీగ్ తోటి డిస్కస్ చేసి క్లోజ్ చేస్తారా, సో లేదు మీకు ఐడియా ఉంటే మీరే క్లోజ్ చేస్తారా, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ చాయిస్. బట్ యూ షుడ్ హ్యాండిల్ ద టికెట్, యూ షుడ్ రిజాల్వ్ ద టికెట్ ఆల్సో. సో దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇన్ అవర్ కోర్స్ కంటెంట్. సో రియల్ టైంలో ఎలా ఉంటుందని మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. రైట్. సో ఫస్ట్ we need to 1 or 2 months we need to focusing on SAP basis. Only one subject. For suppose if you take like a BTech or any qualification like BTech or degree or whatever it may be. So we have minimum 5 subjects are there per semester, minimum. The 5 subjects. So we need to read in 6 months semester. But here only one subject, basis only. There are no 5 subjects. So this is for our career purpose, not exam purpose. So minimum 2 months we need to sit on this basis course. So server we are providing. So whatever the queries we are getting, so we are resolving in our classroom, and we are going to create a WhatsApp group also. I will share all the documents, and daily recorded sessions you will get. End of the day you will get the daily recorded sessions. You can able to watch number of times you can able to watch it until the next class. Yeah. Now we are going to start the theory part. Actually, we have 5 to 6 theory sessions are there. After that, we'll start the installation. So 5 to 6 classes theory sessions are there. So today we are going to discuss about SAP application softwares. So in the last session, we discussed SAP basis demo session, roles and responsibilities also we discussed. And what are the application softwares are there in SAP? For suppose if you take Samsung, they have the products like the Samsung refrigerator, Samsung air conditions, Samsung like laptops, Samsung mobiles, right? Different products are there. In the same way, SAP also, SAP is MNC. There is a software MNC developed software applications. Software applications are developed. SAP application softwares. SAP application software. The first one is SAP ERP. Second one is SAP CRM. Third one is SAP SRM. The fourth one is SAP SCM. So ERP stands for, so we know already SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products. ERP, SAP application products. Application products. These are ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Resource Planning. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Customer Relationship Management. Supplier Relationship Management. And Supply Chain Management. supply chain management. So these are the software products SAP developed. Most popular software products. ERP is one of the product application. We are called as application product. CRM is one of the application product. SRM is one of the application product. SEM is one of the application product. Along with these four, we have one more application product is there. That is SAP S4 HANA. S4 HANA. SAP S4 HANA means SAP application products. Applications, SAP applications means SAP suite. SAP applications or SAP suite, both are same. SAP suite on HANA DB. This is SAP S4 HANA. This is also called as SAP fourth generation system. Fourth generation system. Fourth generation system. I will explain what is fourth generation system. So this is so these four applications we are called as SAP suite. The four applications we are called as SAP suite. SAP ERP, CRM, SRM, SEM, we are called as SAP suite. SAP suite on HANA database. These four applications we can able to install on HANA DB. So in the last session, we discussed about ERP, enterprise resource planning, how to survive the organization. We discussed in the last session with the ERP. So ERP ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది, ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషన్ కి ERP ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. So we have number of departments are there. If they are individual, there is no communication. So to reach the product to the customer, to the product to reach the customer, it is taking time. So because everything need to do manually only, this is time taking process. In place of manual process, whenever we are using ERP, the data is centralized. No need to interact any department manually to any other department. So everything through application only we can contact it to any department. So that is very popular. So now coming to ERP, what are the versions are there? For suppose we are using the mobile iPhone. So in iPhone we have the versions like iPhone 14. So we have versions, actually I am not exactly, I am not remember. 6S, 7S, something is there, iPhone 6, iPhone 7. So we have the models, right? The company is iPhone, but they are releasing the models, iPhone 6S, 7S, like that. So in the same way, SAP ERP is a application name. In ERP, they release the service packs, support packages. See here. See here. SAP ERP, the versions ERP 6.0. Before ERP 6.0, first I will explain. The present version is SAP ERP version, SAP ERP Enterprise Resource Planning ERP 6.0 service package. SP means there is enhancement package. EHP 8 is the latest in ERP. Before ERP 6.0, we have SAP ERP 5.0. Before SAP ERP 6.0, we have SAP ERP 5.0 is there. Before 5.0, we have SAP R3 system. We are called as R3 system. SAP R3. Before R3, we have SAP R2. Before R2, we have SAP R1. Yeah, see here. SAP R1 system, R2 system, R3 system. After R3 system, the name is changed to ERP. Same system name is same. Means the application is same. Just the name is changed. For suppose, so nowadays we are calling as Kolkata, right? So previously, so we called as Calcutta. So nowadays we are calling as Mumbai, but previous name same like here also. So before ERP, we are called as R3 only. The name is changed from R3 to ERP. The name is changed in year 2004. In 2004, SAP released ERP 5.0. In 2004. In 2005, SAP released ERP 6.0 in 2005. SAP R3 system was released in 1992. SAP R2 system was released in 1979. SAP R1 system was released in 1972. SAP started here. 72, 79, 1992, 2004 and 2005 ERP. So in ERP, you observe here 2005. The ERP was released in 2005. The plain ERP 6.0 was released in 2005. From last 21 years, we are using ERP application along. So S4HANA recently came into the market in 2015. S4HANA means just 10 years back. But if you take ERP, from last 20 years, we are using ERP application. So ERP 2005 onwards we are using. Before ERP 6.0, the version is ERP 5.0, 2004. ERP 6.0, 2005. From last 20 years, 21 years onwards, we are using SAP ERP. Right? So SAP ERP 6.0 was released in 2005, 20 years back. In ERP 6.0 released enhancement packages. In ERP 6.0, the enhancement packages, see here, 2005 SAP ERP 6.0, ERP or ECC. ECC stands for ERP Center Component. ERP Center Component, ECC stands for. So 2005, in 2005, ECC 6.0 or ERP 6.0, ERP 6.0, both are same. 2005. In 2006, enhancement package 1 in ERP 6.0, EHP 1. In 2007, EHP 2, EHP 3. Enhancement package 2, enhancement package 3, both are released in 2007. In 2008, EHP 4, 2010. ECC 6.0, EHP 5 was released in 2010. 2011, EHP 6, 2013, EHP 7, 2016, EHP 8. So ERP 6.0, the version is ERP 6.0. They release the enhancement packages, the improvements in the application, same like iPhone 6s, 5s, 6s, 7s, like that. EHP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. SAP released. In 2005, ECC 6.0 means ERP 6.0. 2006, in ERP 6.0, enhancement package 1. 2007, EHP 2, EHP 3. 2008, EHP 4. 2010, EHP 5. 2011, EHP 6. 2013, EHP 7. Finally, in 2016, EHP 8. So SAP not released is ERP 7.0 or 8.0. SAP 6. SAP ERP 6.0 only released. Next, so coming to timeline, just now we discussed. In 1972, SAP R1 system. In 1972, SAP R1 system. In 1979, SAP R2 system. In 1992, SAP R3 system. In 2004-5, it is not mentioned. In 1992, SAP R3 system. In 2011, not 10, that is 11. 2011, HANA database, HANA DB. In 2015, SAP S4 HANA. See here, 2015 S4 HANA. and 2020 BTP. So Business Technology Platform, BTP. So these are the years. SAP R1 system, R2 system, R3 system, HANA database, S4 HANA, and cloud applications. So right. So this is our today's session. So because some more people also will join in our coming sessions. So అందుకనే ఫస్ట్ ఒక 2-3 days మనకి 40 minutes ఉంటుంది క్లాస్. So after that we have 1 hour session. So new members are still joining. That's what. Yeah. So I think this is what we discussed in the last session. 1972 SAP founded year in Germany. So 4,40,000 plus customers are there across 180 countries. So 4,40,000 customers are there and 1 lakh employees are there. So 200 billion market capital is there. This is about SAP nowadays at present in the market. Right? So in our coming session, I will explain the course content. What are the topics we are going to discuss? The course content we'll discuss in our coming session. So one classroom discuss chadam. Course content. What are the topics we are going to discuss? Right? Any queries in our today's session? Any queries? Our today's session also recording. So once our class is completed, I will share the recording session. But once WhatsApp group is created, I will share all the recording sessions through Google Drive only, not individually. Through Google Drive, I will share. Okay. So this is our today's session. I will explain each and every point in depth at the same time in our understandable language only. So మీకు ఏది అర్థం కాకపోయినా సో మీరు ఇక్కడ చెప్పండి, మనం ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సో మీకు ఏది అర్థం కాకపోయినా, ఏ పాయింట్ అర్థం కాకపోయినా సో ఇక్కడే డిస్కస్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే రియల్ టైంలో ఎవరు హెల్ప్ చేయరు, మనం అడగలేం కూడా మన కొలీగ్స్. ఓకే. సో టుమారో ఆల్సో సేమ్ లింక్. సో నేను చెప్తాను, ఒకవేళ గోటుమీట్ లింక్ చేంజ్ అయితే నేను చెప్తాను. టుమారో ఆల్సో సేమ్ లింక్. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు జాయిన్ అయిన లింక్ రేపు కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ క్వరీస్, ఐఎమ్ అవైలబుల్ ఆన్ దిస్ నంబర్. You can ping and call also.